So, hello everyone and welcome back. And today I'm back with another interesting video where we are not going to talk about the normal Skibidi universe, but we are going to talk about the Dom Studio multiverse. Since as you all know that the Skibidi has not been uploaded or updated since 2 months, which is a really long time, and we almost think that the Boom has abandoned the Skibidi series. But as you all know, he really didn't. He must have some issues and must be some problems. But I think he will upload in some time. It could even take a month. But Dom Studio is pretty frequent and pretty active on his uploads. So we are going to talk about that one. So in this video, this is going to the first one. We are going to consider another universe of Skibidi. So we are going to keep it simple and move with the basics. And in this video, we are going to talk about what's the strongest character in the multiverse of that. So without any further ado, let's begin. And I'm only going to consider Titans, no special agents. That's why I'm going to consider some actually overpowered Titans and the one we have actually seen. Which means I'm not going to consider the alien god who is coming to Earth in some time. I'm going to consider the G-Man Apocalypse, the Doomsday, also known as the Sinister, and the many more Titans like Titan Clockman, Titan TV Man, Cameraman, Drill Man, and many more. So let's start without any further ado and no excuses. So the first Titan we ever got to see was Titan Cameraman, of course. Titan Cameraman has gone through many various upgrades and also many various types of abilities more than the normal Skibidi verse, which is exactly why this one is much more powerful than the normal Titan Cameraman. But I'm not going to consider every Titan's every ability or glow up. I'm going to consider which are the strongest. So let's rank the top 5 ones. I mean, the saddest part about this video is that the Titan Cameraman is not going to make it in this video because he's not on the top 5 list as he's not that much upgraded right now. Titan Cameraman right now is the most outdated Titan to be seen. So anyways, let's rank the top 5. The 5th one is definitely and of course our Speaker Man, the beloved Speaker Man. Titan Speaker Man is like a rock star in this universe. He does have a guitar, he can sing, he can do anything like everything. He has a guitar which can damage anyone. He also has the axe. He is armed with infinite amount of weapons. He even has small orbs which can damage anyone by ultrasounding them, which is a broken ability as he doesn't even need to care about a small army of Skibidi. He can just send his orbs to defeat that, which really gives him an edge against Titan Cameraman, as if they are in a large number, they can even stun a Titan, which he did on the mutant, which is definitely we need to put him in this list. And in this universe, Titan Speaker Man has also gone through many upgrades, even more than the normal universe. And the latest one is the most iconic one, of course, and this is one of the strongest Speaker Man you will ever get to see. He also does have a rage mode. We haven't just seen it yet, but I am sure we will see it in the future. He can throw lasers out of his core. He can do literally anything that Titan Cameraman do, but better because he's more upgraded. As soon as Titan Cameraman will get upgraded, he's going to fall off, and of course the list will update. But anyways, let's move on to the next Titan, which is of course the Titan TV Man. Titan TV Man is extremely powerful and he's one of the strongest out there, but because of this universe broken races, he's going to go so far away, but he's still strong enough to make it in this list. He's one of the strongest Titan out there. He has one of the best abilities and one of the most abilities in the series. He does actually have his TV rays and he does have many weapons. He can even create black holes, which really gives him the edge against every Titan and everyone. And I really love these abilities and the curiosity and the innovation he's putting in this series, and the Titans upgrades which are totally new and totally unknown to the mankind, and no one really expected these kind of upgrades. But Dom Studio is just up for making them broken. But sadly, Titan TV Man is not making it in this list, and so isn't the Titan Speaker Man, because this list isn't always for the weakest, the Titans, it's for the strongest character. So let's start the real list. At number 5, we have got the ultimate Drill Titan, which has really transformed onto a next level like a dragon. and that's really broken for him. Now, number 4 is actually pretty obvious, which is the future Clockman. He has broken abilities like the Clock Titan, but he cannot beat him. So, the number 3 is of course our Clock Titan, which is actually broken. He has the best abilities out there in case of Titans, yet he's not the number 1 anyways. Now, the best list awaits. The number 2 is most definitely our G-Man Apocalypse. He's the most broken G-Man you will ever get to see in any series you can ever watch. This G-Man is like 2,000,000 times bigger than a normal Titan, which really gives him the edge in anything you can desire, in speed, in strength, in brute strength, in anything you ever desire, which is broken as well. Now, the number 1 spot is most definitely and of course the best Titan, the best Titan you can even imagine is the Sinister. No one really expected anyone else than Sinister to be number 1 in this video, and so he is the number 1 spot, which is actually a broken Titan. He can defeat anyone with ease. I mean, he does claim that he's eaten multiverses, universes and many things, but I don't really think he's that strong, but he's still broken out here. He's a literal god. He created everything and he can be sealed by the chief only, and no one else can defeat him. I really don't think that Clock Titan and the future Clockman is going to stop him. They are just going to slow him down, as he has planned everything in this universe. And just like Aizen, this must be the plan of his. So we all know where this is going, and he's going to win in the end. So I hope you can watch the strongest character, and I really hope you can enjoy this. Bye.